Hi everyone, welcome back to the WEAVR Creator tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to make an object grabbable using the WEAVR Object component. The WEAVR Object marks the object as interactable and is required by other interactable components. Select your object in the hierarchy and add the WEAVR Object component. A rigid body is added automatically, so you don't need to create one manually. Make sure the object or at least one of its children has a collider. You can use any type of collider: box collider, sphere collider, capsule collider, or mesh collider, depending on the shape. Keep in mind that mesh collider is costly, so use it sparingly. Without a collider, the object cannot be grabbed. The object's layer should change to grabbable automatically, but in case it doesn't, make sure its layer is set to grabbable so WEAVR knows this object can be interacted with. There are multiple key WEAVR object settings. Here, we have the Is Grabbable toggle. Turning this on allows the object to be picked up. Next, we have the mass. It controls how heavy the object feels when the user grabs it. We also have different grab options. Easy Grab makes the object easier to pick up, even with loose hand alignment. Can Collide allows the grabbed object to collide with other objects. And finally, we have the Move if Kinematic. It allows the object to move even if the rigid body is set to kinematic. There are also options for different handling type, so you can select whether the object can be picked up with either hand, only with the left hand, or only with the right hand, or if it requires both hands simultaneously. And finally, you have the audio source. You can assign an audio clip that plays when the object is grabbed or released. The same audio source may be used by other interactions added to this object. And that's all you need to set up a basic grabbable object in WEAVR Creator. Once everything is ready, jump into play mode and try it out yourself. See how it feels, tweak the settings, and make it your own. If you found this helpful, stay tuned because in the next videos, we'll build on this and add more interaction features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.